my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the operators in the C programming language. Okay, so here we go. So here I am creating a new project for the operators. Okay, let me just give here the name operators in C. Now click next and then finish. Here is our source file. Okay, so let me just clear it, and this also. So okay, we are now going to discuss the operators. Operators are basically the symbols that are used to perform the mathematical or the logical operations. Our C programming language is rich with Boolean operators. Operators usually manipulate data and the variables and form a part of mathematical or the logical operations. Okay, there are many kinds of operators in the C programming language, as you can see here. Okay, and these are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical, assignment, increment and decrement, conditional, bitwise and special kind of operators. Okay, so let us just start with the assignment operator. Assignment operator are just used to assign the values to the variables. So let me just declare a variable here. I am declaring here a int variable. Let me just declare a, and let me just use a assignment operator, and let me just assign a value as 10 here and put here a semicolon. Okay, so this is the way to use this a simple assignment operator. Okay, here a is now assigned to 10. Okay, let me first increase the font size. Okay, this is enough. Okay, now let me just show you the work of other assignment operators too. Okay, let me just declare here another variable. Let us declare b here, and let me use assignment operator b plus equal to 2. This usually mean, let me just write it in the comment, b equals b plus 2. This statement b plus equal to 2 usually means this, b equal to b plus 2. Okay, if we put a minus here, this means b equal to b minus 2. So any operator we use here will be placed here. Okay, so in this way you can use all other kinds of assignment operators. Okay, let us just come to the arithmetic operators. We are very much aware of the arithmetic operators, and here there are 5 arithmetic operators, that are plus, minus, multiplication, division, and the 5th one is modulus operator. Okay, we are very much aware of the plus, minus, division and the multiplication, but what a modulus operator do, I'll tell you later in this video. Okay, let me just get rid of this, and let me show you a very simple program to add two numbers in which we will be using a plus operator. Okay, here I am declaring 3 variables a, b and c. Okay, and let me just assign the value of a to 5 and b to 5, no matter, and let me use expression here c equal to a plus b. Okay, and now we are printing c, printf the value of c is %t, small d actually, and here we will put c and here semicolon. Okay, if I am using here the %t, I'll tell you in the next video when we learn about the data types and the variables. Okay, so let me just run this program. Okay, as you can see, the value of C is 10, that is 5 plus 5. Okay, this is how a arithmetic operator works. Okay, so let me now show you what a modulus operator do. Okay, so let me just comment these lines. Okay, so let me just declare another variable here. Let me just declare int y. Okay, and modulus operator basically give us the remainder. When we divide a number with another number, our modulus operator provide us the remainder. So let me just show you practically. Okay, let me just write the expression here. Firstly, we will declare a variable. Let me just declare here a int as y. Okay, and now let me just write a expression y equals 11 modulus 2, and this expression will return us the remainder. Okay, and let me just remove the comment from here, and let me just edit it a little, and here also. Okay, now let me just run the program, and here as we can see, the value of y is 1, that is our remainder. 2 cross 5 is 10 and 11 minus 10 is 1. Okay, so this is how our modulus operator works. Okay, so this is all about the arithmetic operator. Okay, next let us just move to the increment and the decrement operators. Okay, so now let me just get rid of all this and we will start a new program here. Okay, so let me just declare another variables here. Let me just declare here x and y. Okay, and here now let me just tell you how the increment and the decrement operators works, and let me just type here x plus plus and y plus plus. Okay, and now let me just print the value of x and y. Printf and x equals %d, and here put x and here semicolon. Let me just copy this and now change here as y and here also. Okay, now let me just run the program. Oops, it is showing a garbage value because we haven't initialized our x and y. Okay, so let me just initialize the value of x as 5 and y as 6. Okay, now let me just run program again. And here as you can see, the value of x becomes 6 and the value of y become 7. And let me use here and let me show you it clearly. And now here I'm using \n. Okay, now let me just run this again. Okay, here as you can see, x was 5 and here x is 6 and y was 6 and here y is 7. So the value is increased by 1 in x and as well as in y. Okay, so here if we use the decrement operator, let's see what happens. Negative. Okay, now let me just run the program. As you can see, x was 5, now x is 4 and y was 6 and now y is 5. Okay, so this was the post increment and the post decrement, and now let me just show you the pre increment and the pre decrement. Okay, so now let me just remove this and put the plus plus before x and 5. Okay, now let me just run the program, and here as you can see, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7. The result is the same as before. Okay, so what is the difference between the pre-increment and the post-increment? So in the pre-increment, the value is increased first, then it is initialized to the variable, but in the post-increment, the value is initialized first to the variable, then the value is increased. Okay, I think you got it. So this is all about the increment and the decrement operator. Okay, next we came to the logical operators. As you can see here, there are three kinds of logical operators, that are AND operator, OR operator and the NOT operator. So let us just talk about the AND operator. If we are testing two expression at a time, if both the expression are true, then the whole statement will become true. Okay, but in the condition of OR operator, if either of the expression is true, the whole statement will be true. And NOT operator, if we have to use the negation of the expression, then we will use NOT operator. Okay, and about the relational operator, bitwise operator and the special operator, we will be using in our forthcoming videos wherever required. And I think this is enough for this video. Hope you guys like the video. This is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.